Welcome, bienvenue. I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm taking you on a flavor-packed journey to Brazil without leaving your kitchen. We're making Brazilian lemonade. Let's get cooking. We'll kickstart with 4 limes. Limes are packed with vitamin C and also add a refreshing twist to any drink. Make sure you wash your limes thoroughly. Cut the ends of 3 limes. Then cut your 3 limes into fourths. In Brazil, limes are often referred to as limão, which translates to lemon in English. Therefore, when Brazilians refer to limonada or Limonada Suíça, Brazilian lemonade, they are typically talking about a lime-based drink. Personally, I prefer and recommend you trim off the pith to eliminate any unwanted bitterness. Make sure you do this to all 3 limes. Once done, I cut mine in half again, then add them all to a blender, along with 4 cups of drinking water. Now blend for just 15 to 20 seconds or pulse a few times. You don't want to blend too long or you may end up with your drink being too bitter. Strain your mixture meticulously. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Those pesky bits and pieces have no place in our velvety drink. I'm gonna go give my blender a quick rinse. Then I strain the liquid a second time to ensure a silky smooth texture. Add 1/4 cup of sugar, half cup of sweetened condensed milk, which is a key ingredient. It plays a crucial role in adding a creamy and sweet component to the drink. For an extra touch of indulgence and flavor, I like adding 2 ounces of Torani Lime syrup. It's optional, but in my opinion, it's so good. I'll post a link to the syrup and other products I use in the description below. Now you want to add 2.5 cups of ice. Blend these luscious ingredients together for a few seconds until smooth and creamy, unveiling a velvety texture. To a small bowl, I'm going to add some monk fruit blend, which is 0-calorie sweetener, but you can use regular sugar too if you like. Let's cut a few slices off our 4th lime. Then we'll zest the remainder of my lime in the bowl. Rim a glass with a zesty touch of lime, then dip it into the mixture of sugar and lime zest. Carefully pour in some ice. You can enhance the visual appeal by adding slices of lime before layering on more ice. If you're interested in this nugget ice machine, I'll have a video for you soon. Now let's pour our luscious Brazilian lemonade. To add a final touch, I'm going to cut a few small pieces of lime and add them to the top. Then we'll add a slice of lime and sprinkle some of the lemon zest on top. Brazilian lemonade is typically best immediately after it's prepared. If stored in the refrigerator, it can last for about 1 to 2 days. You will notice, however, it naturally separate and look like this. Just give it a mix and it's ready to drink. Now it's time to give it a try. Cheers. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Creamy and refreshing. Not too bitter, just perfect. I hope you give it a try. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to help me out by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Thanks for your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.